guys, it's Michelle. Welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. Well, I have been off the air for a few days. I was constructing a solar heater for my pool and I sliced my thumb. So that, and I've been suffering from fatigue lately. I have no idea why. It's not like I'm doing anything extra super special. Anyhow, I did make an attempt to do the Mina pour. And I tried a split cup, and I'm about ready to throw all my split cups away. I spent so much time on that piece, and I tried everything. I mean, I tried balloon rolls, I tried, after I knew it was not going well. And I finally put the canvas straight upwards and started flinging paint at it. And I did that for about 20 minutes, and it felt really good, and I left. And then I had a big mess to clean up, so I haven't painted since. So tonight is the night, and I am going to be doing a cloud pour. This is an 11 by 14 gallery wrap level 2 canvas from Artist Loft. I am using the Willie B recipe. That's Tiffany. And this is Artist Loft, Floetrol, and Vallejo Pearl Medium. It works really well. And it has some beautiful transparency. And to that, I have, this is Blue Black by Atelier. I add just a tiny squirt of Prussian Blue from Golden. This is a mixture of Amsterdam greenish blue with glisten. And it's more glisten than it is greenish blue. And it's such a pretty color. This is Pearl Glacier Blue from Arteza, and it is mixed with Hammerhead. I saw Erica Hughes' beautiful pour. I'll link it in the description. And oh my gosh, it just turned out so beautiful. And this is Color Shift Purple Flash. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this. I might not. And it's a small canvas, so we'll see how that goes. Anyhow, I'm going to start with just a little bit of white in the bottom. That's enough. And then I'm going to put my blue black in. And right after that, I'm going to put the glisten mixture. Then some more white. Then the Hammerhead. Then a little tiny bit of white. I think I'm going to put this in first. Blue black. And then the purple flash. And then I'm going to put some more of this in. Some more white. Don't know if we're going to need that much for this cup. Meow. All right. What do you think? What do you think, Skinny Vinny? And here we go. Now I'm used to using the cloud on a square canvas. This is rectangular. We'll see how it goes. I know, baby. You want Mama's attention. You guys get a chance, go over to Willie B Studios. Tiffany is awesome. Toothpick. Can't find it. All right, we'll use this. Oh, even though I attempted to do the Mina pour, and I haven't, oh, something is there, completed it, she was so kind as to make this beautiful flowers for us, and it is in my studio giving me inspiration every day. She makes these on her channel as well. They're resin, they're absolutely gorgeous. Check her channel out. All right, so something's hanging up right there. You can see it. That's pretty. I don't have enough blue in there. I mean the deep blue. I should have put more in. It's not bad. I'm gonna give it a torch. I mixed these paints up about 5 hours ago. I'm still getting little bubbles. Little bubbles. Right. I'm going to put a little flow extender around here. All right, here we go. It's very cloudy. That's already getting all boogered up. Boogered up? Still, oh, there is still something in there. A big something. Yeah, there it is, finally. There we go. Fixie. All right, here we go. This is a pretty small canvas for me. Let me move that out of the way for now and see if I need it later. Good. I'm not hating it, that's for sure. Wondering if I should make a bigger one. And let's see this develop, because it will develop. There's some little tiny cells coming up here and there. I'm gonna give it a squirt of fire. Oh, little pinpricks. Darn it. Colors are really starting to come up here. I like it. And the purple is completely gone, almost. Like right here, that's the only place. Yeah, those little pinpricks. Guess I should have waited till tomorrow. I just couldn't wait. It's been a few days. Yeah, it's a keeper. It's tiny, but it's a keeper. Should I try and go bigger? I don't think I have any square canvases though. Unless I take something that's I don't want anymore. All right, guys, I'm gonna clean up here and bring it down for a close-up. And I'm gonna give it a few minutes to develop, and you'll see the difference. So far, so good though. I'll be back. Hey guys, so here it is. I'm going to do another, changed up the colors a little bit. I like this. Haven't done one in a while. Yeah. The metallics don't show up too much in cloud pores. That's a fact. That's where that little booger was. Ugh. And got some nice lines there with a few dots. That's because I put the flow extender as the pearl mix, or the cloud mix. Oh, I guess you can see a little bit. But yeah, I've made a purple out of the, well, it's a purple flash. I put some dioxazine purple in it. So I'm gonna try it again, and I hate those little dots. I hate them, hate them, hate them. But it's still not a bad piece. Please be safe and create. Please like, share, and subscribe. Ciao for now.